Tokenized assets are estimated to be a $16 trillion market by 2030. It's your boy Crypto Million. I'm back with another one, and you already know what time it is. It's time to lock in. We got to lock in on the research, man. We could be potentially at the cusp of one of the greatest bull runs of all time. So in this channel, family, you find out of some of the latest and greatest cryptocurrency narratives and low cap, small caps, micro cap projects that could potentially 100x to 1000x, and sometimes meme coins. So make sure that you like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what your favorite RWA project is. We're going to be talking about 3. So if I left yours out, let me know in the comments. And we need 100 likes on this video, man. Engage with the video. It really helps the algorithms. Let's get this awareness on RWAs. Now, RWAs are going to be huge in the next cycle, okay? Everybody wants to talk about tokenization. Larry Fink said that the crypto, the traditional market, should I say, will be tokenized. Stocks, bonds, commodities, luxury cars. Anything you can think of in the future will be tokenized. And right now, family, is the time to start accumulating those top projects, right, that have utilities, team, and partnerships that could potentially go parabolic. And RWAs could specifically be one of the biggest narratives in the next crypto bull cycle. Again, as you see, tokenized assets are estimated to be a $16 trillion market by 2030, representing significant headroom for growth and a notable increase from about 310 billion. So think about that. Trillions of dollars about to pour into this narrative. And just last year it was only worth 310 billion. All right, so family, we are early. Investors are effectively lending over 600 million to US government today via the tokenized treasury market and receiving around 4.2 annualized yield in return. So people are making a passive income through tokenization of treasuries, family. So everybody's starting to get involved with this narrative. And today we're going to be talking about 3 cryptocurrencies that could literally go parabolic, and one might even 1000x. So make sure that you stick to the video to the end. All right, let's get into the projects as we know what y'all came here for. RWAs, increase user adoption, institution involvement. The first project I want to talk about is Relio, family. This is one of the tokens from the LCX ecosystem. All right. So what is Relio? All right, let's talk about what Relio is. The Galileo protocol is a platform that uses blockchain technology to create digital tokens called PNFTs, physical non-fungible tokens. These tokens are linked to real physical assets like luxury watches, real estate, and cars. By tokenizing these assets, Galileo ensures their authenticity and creates a record of ownership history on the blockchain. This helps to combat the problem of counterfeiting in luxury goods market, which is worth billions. So let's say you wanted to tokenize a Rolex, a nice, good Rolex right there, right? You want to tokenize this thing, man. You know, you want to award a fractional ownership. Let's give a real world example of how that would work. Well, imagine you own a luxury watch brand and you want to stop counterfeit sales. You partner with Galileo protocol to tokenize each watch as a PNFT on their platform. When customers buy a watch, they get a unique digital certification of authenticity that proves that the watch is genuine. If they want to sell it later, the PNFT ensures a transparent and verifiable transaction, increasing, family, the watch's resale value. This boosts customer trust and helps you combat counterfeiting while customers gain access to high value assets through fractional ownership. I mean, I can see this happening with watches, cars, corporate real estate. You know, tokenization is literally the future. And again, it's still early. This is one of those projects that I think has a lot of potential, sitting here at a $38 million market cap with, a $12 million market cap, which with only 38 million supply in circulation, also only 1,000 holders. So not a lot of people know this project, yet they come from the LCX ecosystem. We know LCX went parabolic, I believe. Not just LCX, should I say. I believe it may be the LCX or the Quant ecosystem, one of the two. But that's neither here nor there. The thing is, this project is embedded, right, with great partnerships, and I think that this project has a lot of potential, man. Can you imagine tokenizing, a watch, a sports car, anything you could think of. sports tickets to games. All of this will be on the blockchain. So Galileo, man, if you look at the all chart, it's a very new token, but it almost bottomed out. You can see the consolidation that we got going on here. If you want to bet on a tokenization or RWA project, because of the partnerships and you know what I mean, the ecosystem that this project comes from, I think that there's a lot of potential here with Galileo, and the fact that it only has a max supply of about 150 million. We're talking about a project that can hit the heights of 10, 15, 20 bucks. All right, so keep that in mind. Low supply, crypto gem, and one of the top narratives. Make sure you go do your research. This is not financial advice. Do your due diligence. I just like what Galileo could become, and I want to actually get into some of the partnerships that they actually have here, if they actually have it on here. See who they partnered with, because you know partnerships to me do matter. Well, they don't have them on the website, but yeah, Quant LCX. I think that's some of the biggest partnerships here with the Galileo protocol. But that's neither here. Let's move on to the next project. The next project is Relio network. Okay, so Relio network, not a lot of people understand the Relio network and what it actually represents, so I'm gonna try my best to explain this. All right, I went to public school, so bear with me, but I'm gonna explain it to you guys. So Relio network sitting here at a $1.3 million market cap, so it's down significantly, man. I thought it was at 2 million. Well, this is a gem to be $1.3 million market cap. The circulating supply is only 8%, right? 6 million of about 75 million. The predictions of Relio for the next bull cycle is literally $80. This has a smaller number of supply capped out than Galileo project, and it's cheaper, sitting here at 21 cents and a $1.3 million market cap. So still early for this project, still mad early for this project. I'm checking out some more stats. You can see there are only 7,000 holders with this project, and they have about 660,000 in liquidity. So a lot to look forward to for Relio. But what is Relio, and why are people so bullish? I mean, you can't go a day on crypto Twitter without somebody talking about Rio. So let's talk about what Rio actually is, family, and let's get into it. So Relio network enables the tokenization of real world assets like commercial real estate. Investors can buy fractional ownership these assets through digital tokens, gaining access to exclusive opportunities. The platform offers liquidity through token trading on decentralized exchanges and potential earnings through DeFi lending. This decentralized and efficient approach transforms the way private equity and real estate investments are made. This fractional ownership allows even small investors to access high value real estate assets that were traditionally out of reach. So let's say, you wanted to invest into a corporate building or corporate real estate. Instead of having to go get your credit checked and go through all these loopholes just to get to the bottom line, you can utilize the Relio network here, this blockchain, and invest through real estate, corporate real estate that's fractionalized, or should I say tokenized, right? So you can buy fractionalized, fractionalized. You can buy fractional portions of the real estate, all right? Real estate on the blockchain. I think this is the future, man. RWAs are going to be huge. They're going to be huge. Relio network is even compliant and regulated, so they're working on being SEC compliant as well. And they also have some pretty dope partnerships. If we go down and scroll down, let me see if the partnerships here that they have, like Algorand, Stellar, Fusion, OKX, T0, Change Jelly, and Verified Investor. And to me, this project is still early, man. Still early. It's also a IBC Cosmo-based chain project here, so it'll be able to interact with any cryptocurrency through interoperability. Huge, right? They even have some liquidity that's going to be spawned on the BNB chain. Also huge. Algorand and Stellar, so they're expanding through bridges. I can't wait till Relio actually get on BNB. That's what I'm waiting for. I don't want to go through all those fees of Ethereum, but once Relio actually gets on BNB, I'm going ham. All right, so that's Relio in a nutshell. Do your research on this one. A lot more techy, but once you get to the nitty gritty of the utility use case in a real world example of how it can be utilized, you can see that this is a hidden gem sitting at a $1.3 million market cap. In fact, I think when I think about Relio, I think about 1 billion, 10 billion, $100 billion easily, just because it's one of those projects that fit the tokenization narrative, but it's also respected. Any project can be in tokenization, but is it respected? Meaning, are everybody talking about it? And when you bring up RWAs or tokenization, in the top three, Relio, it's always being talked about. All right, so $1.3 million market cap. I'm looking at this thing like it could easily go to 1 billion, 10 billion, or 100 billion. All right, that's my synopsis on Rio. The next project I want to talk about, last but not least, is WeCoin. All right, now we got into WeCoin right here with this yellow little somewhere around here, $170 million thousand market cap. It was able at the heights to get 3 million. We've been holding our moon bag here for Relio. For WeCoin for a while, sitting at 3017. Only 1.9 holders and a max supply of 10 billion. I think they just did a massive burn. So this is our RWA project that actually burns, and the market cap is only 1.7 million. So still freaking early for a diamond in the rough, family. WeCoin is definitely a diamond in the rough. Now, it took me a while to actually bring this on the channel because it was a super degen play, and I didn't know what to expect. Right? But I've been holding this project for almost 2 months now. And it's, as you see, been going nothing but up, riding this bullish trend line. Hopefully, it can continue to ride this trend line because I wouldn't want to see it break the trend line. I want to see it continue to ride this up. But this project has been a bear market killer, and we've seen some pretty nice gains. But what is WeCoin? I know that's what you guys asking, man. You look at WeCoin. The future of fractional. You know what I'm saying? The future of ownership, right? Real estate on the blockchain, harnessing the power of blockchain technology to revolutionize the traditional real estate industry, experience secure, efficient, and transparent transactions with it. So let's give you some examples of how Relio, I keep saying Relio. I get Relio and WeCoin mixed up. Let's give you guys some examples how WeCoin works. First and foremost, tokenizing luxury real estate. Weset enables the tokenization of luxury real estate properties, dividing ownership in digital tokens. 2, affordable ownership. Investors can own a share of prestigious properties with investments starting at just $100. So you can start your portfolio here with real estate with Weset with just $100 and start investing into fractional ownership. Global investment. Tokenization attracts a diverse global network of investors and stakeholders to participate in the real estate market. Innovation and customization. Community engagement. I love the community. The team is docs, very transparent team, and they're always making continuous improvement. As you can see from the roadmap, they plan on expanding their tokenized assets to real estate, tequila, glamping, hospitals, and VC funds. And you can see some of the assets here on the page coming soon. I mean, just look at it, man. Look at that. Look at that already. 4,000, 30 years. I want to do more research on how their tokenization actually works for some of these assets, but you see they're mixing up, man. You know what I mean, they plan on in the future tokenizing a yacht, or you'll be able to tokenize a yacht. Can you imagine owning a fraction, owning fractions of a yacht? You know what I'm saying? People wish they can like invest into a yacht, which is a very slept on investment, believe it or not. You know what I'm saying? To this right here. That's nice. Look at that, hospitals. Man, I love to, and for me, what made me want to invest into this project, because out of all these projects, Weset is the one I actually hold. So full transparency, I'm knee deep into this project. Is that when I was thinking about investing into real estate, I didn't want to just think like, oh, I want to invest into real estate only in the US. I want to invest into property everywhere. Tokenization in real estate on the blockchain gives you a chance to invest into property literally everywhere. Can you imagine being a serial investor where you got property everywhere? You can say, hey, I'm just going to use my passport, hop in my private jet, and go to my property in Mexico. I mean, that sounds, the bull run is near. That sounds so good, man. Make sure you guys go follow me on Twitter. I'll be going crazy. All right, so that's all the projects that I got for you guys that's what I got for you guys. Weset. It's been going crazy. WeCoin, Galileo protocol, Leo X, and of course, Relio here, Rio, man. And one of these joints going 1000x, man. Y'all let me know what y'all favorite RWAs. I just broke them down. $16 trillion market. Tap in. Let me know in the comments. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you the next one.